Hello, everybody. It's me, Sky, and it's me, Sky, and subscribe to her channel, please, and also subscribe to me. Press skip, Sophie. Okay, I'm also skip. Waiting for other players to skip. Game is start. Game started. Oh, we're right next to each other when we run. I'm watching a Filipino game. Skip mga oh okay okay he said the BOBO word. Oh, look at the chat. How can you? I'm sure it's all just your imagination. Um, um, War here. Why don't you all help me find the SOS light, everyone? Sophie, just be careful, Sophie. If you hear footsteps like that like yeah, that's all of them. See? Do you see? And do you hear? Okay, 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 okay. Yeah! Who's that? And press B for box. I have a feeling blue is nearby. Let me in. Okay, we have to find. No, no, Sophie, Sophie, hide, hide. Blue is here. Blue is here. Blue is here. Blue is here. It's broken. Just don't go there because blue is here. Yeah, where we started. Green also grabs you by the box, so avoid green. Get in the box! I hear blue. There he is. I see him. Hi, Mr. Cookie Monster. Laser, laser tag. Don't go. Oh shit! Run, run, blue is there. The green is there. Green is there. Oh, laser tag is here. Hide, 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 hide. I hear blue. I will revenge you. Revive. I have a feeling purple is here because it's like a cute little. Am I the only one? 12 out of 25 and hi, sweet little bumblebee. I know what you. Go. Here. Where's the laser? Where's the laser plaza? Can we laser plaza? Poor thing. Yeah. Oh. I didn't even expect. Is that? I was like, what the heck? 21. Oh. He's he's stuck. I'm wiggling like a baby. Where's green? Where's green? Laser tag. I'm scared. Should we play something else? I'm scared. Okay. What? Ew! There are guys. Join me, girly. Join. I'm still finding a game. Okay. And our third squad member, JR. What's it- yeah. They he he's somewhere. Do you wanna play? Is this uh wait. Wait, I'm no. I promise. Promise. I let's play hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Wait. Just wait, okay, Sophie. Obby, but you can't jump. I really like it. Enjoy it. Join me. Woohoo! I'm sorry. Oh, joy puppy. Oh, joy puppy. Oh, puppy. Oh, sige. Did you join me? I can't see you. Where? Let me see, girly. You're not. Oh, where are you? Oh, there you. Let's go. So, don't go through. Hey, Sophie, just wait. Okay, let's go. Also, where Sophie lives, it's in Saipan. So yeah, it's like a treadmill. Let's go, Sophie. Woo-wee. I wish we can really jump. Sophie, I swear. Sophie, wait. You need my genius mind. But very clumsy naman. So hard. Where should we pass? Where should I pass? Green? Red? Yellow? Maybe. Baby, I've been thinking. Also, our other two other, we already had like a lot of. Come on! Hey! Wait! The stairs are disappearing! They want to slide up. Whee! We have new squad members, Maya and Chloe, but they cannot play with us. What? Ah, Chloe? Why are they in the Philippines? I thought they were in Saipan. Oh. Green, purple, green. Let's go, Sophie. Also, playing with Chloe and Maya is such a cool thing to do because we can see the two sisters fight all the the two sisters. They always fight during games and they always yell. Wow! At least I have a step to bloom. Woohoo! I can't press jump literally. Oh, oh, oh! That's common physics, everyone. Okay, follow me. I remember the pathway. Okay, I hit my wall. Oh, ano, may shita Hey, girly. Do you know one time when I was like at school, punched a kid. I punched like no, I didn't like ow! I literally punched the kid, but a volleyball punched my classmate in the face because it's also karma because he bullies everyone and he keeps on punching people's faces. I don't know karma. I'm so good. Sophie, where are you? Sophie, calculate your jump, girly. Oh, it pulls you back? Are you a ghost or something? Oh, poor thing. I will go back. Oh, okay, I almost died. Bad exercise if it's like this. It's like a treadmill. Guess, guess who is oh poor thing. Patay. Hurry! Woo! I almost died. I was prepared to sacrifice my life and I rather do it twice. Run! Remember the time when Chloe like, she was raging? They don't know the connection in the Philippines? Why? Guess what? They're from Saipan. Are they in Cavite? There? Oh, there's other friends. We have other friends, girly. Uh-huh. Also, Sophie, I'm so scared. You know one time when I was at school and it was like raining and it's like, raining so hard, and then what happened next? It like a lightning bolt, like boom, like struck the area, and they were like, what? But we don't have like any drill, but only an earthquake drill because the earthquake. And I know what the um earthquake drill is. You have to go under your seat, but we don't have you know those seats that gets attached by a stool. You know the green, blue, green, red, green, red. How did you know? Oh yeah, okay. Ew, why is he eating poo poo? Ah, okay. Wow, wow, oh. Ew, he poo poo. Got some money, chipping on my money. Oh, you fell. Can I help you? Oh yeah, so I live in the Philippines and Sophie's my cousin in Saipan. And she's very, very rich in Roblox. 400, wow. The way to a 2 week old dumper rated by. You know you're so dumb. You're so dumb when you die because you fell down. Karma. Uy, okay. How did you do this? Ah! Okay. Okay, I fell. Yeah, I'm very clumsy. Oh, yeah. Hey, can't get up. Ah, how do you do this? Ah! Yeah, so satisfying. Imagine if you have a bad day and then you do this. Yummy. I feel from out of the sky. Ah! Kobe. You were AFK for like a minute. Sophie, can we go together? Can we go together? Hey! Run! Woo! Wait. Do you want to use number 5? What? Whee! Bye, Sophie! Bye! I'm going all the way back where we started. Oh! Oh! Okay, I did. Ah!